my dear students, get ready for today's class. Okay, let's start. We are doing block 3 kinds of plants, and in the last class we have learned the features of land plants and water plants. I hope you recall it. Students, now tell me, can some plants grow completely in water? Yes, many plants can grow completely in water. In today's class, we will sort water plants into groups and identify their features. I hope it is clear. Students, now please open your worksheet S4 of block 3. Observe the diagram and sort the water plants shown into groups in water in different ways. So you have to sort the plants into different ways. In your notebook, write the common features of plants in each group. So first one is duckweed, water lily, water hyacinth, cattle, and hydrilla. So you can make the groups. You can make the groups based on which part of the plant above the water and which part of the plant under the water. You have to make the groups. So start making the groups. I hope you have done. Let's discuss. I have made 3 groups. In the first group, I take water lily and cattle. Fill up the ground by roots. Have long stems. So both the plants have long stems, flowers and leaves above the water. I hope it is clear. In the second group, water hyacinth and duckweed. Float on water. Short stems. These two plants have short stems, flowers and leaves above the water. I hope it is also clear. In the third group, hydrilla. Totally under the water, flexible, thin, weak stem, leaves under the water. I hope you understand that. Now, here are some questions based on your activity. Question number 1 is, how are duckweed and water hyacinth similar? Question number 2 is, how are water lily and cattle similar? And question number 3 is, how are they different from hydrilla? Students, please pause the video and write down the answers of these questions. I hope you have done. Let's discuss the answers. Answer number 1 is, both duckweed and water hyacinth float on water. Such type of water plants are called float water plants. Clear? Answer number 2 is, some water plants like water lily, lotus and cattle have their roots fixed to the bottom of the ponds, but their leaves and flowers are on or above the surface of water. Such plants are called fixed type of water plants. I hope it is also clear. And answer number 3 is, plants like hydrilla and many pond weeds grow completely under the water. They are called underwater or submerged plant. So submerged plant means underwater plants. I hope answers are clear to you all. Good. Now we will discuss some important facts of this lesson. Before this, tell me, why is it important to have plants underwater? Yes, many animals live underwater. These underwater plants are their food. I hope you understand that. Good. Now we will read the lesson. The name of our lesson is Kinds of Water Plants. Let's start reading. Water plants are mainly of 3 types. So what are the 3 types of water plants? We will read. First one is floating. Some water plants like the water hyacinth and duckweed float on the water as they are light and spongy. Clear? Next type is fixed. Fixed मतलब एक जगह पे ही फिक्स रहना, और फ्लोटिंग मतलब तैरते हुए. तो फिक्स्ड से आप समझ ही सकते हो कि जो एक जगह पे फिक्स रहते हैं. Some plants like the lotus and water lily have their roots fixed to the bottom of the pond. They have long spongy stems their leaves float on the water. Clear? And the flowers are above water. They have a waxy coating on their leaves which saves them from decaying in water. तो इनकी जो वैक्सी कोटिंग लीव्स होती हैं वो उन्हें पानी में खराब होने से बचाती हैं. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन इज अंडर वाटर. तो अंडर वाटर मतलब जो बिल्कुल ही पानी के अंदर है, जिनका हर एक पार्ट पानी के अंदर है. Some plants like hydrilla, pondweed, seaweed are completely submerged in water. They have thin, narrow leaves and very small roots. I hope lesson is clear. In the first picture you can see floating duckweed, and in the second picture you can see underwater hydrilla. Now we will discuss the keywords. First one is floating, मतलब जो तैरते हुए होते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ फिक्स्ड, जो बिल्कुल फिक्स होते हैं. थर्ड वन इज़ अंडर वाटर, मतलब जो कि पूरे के पूरे ही वाटर के अंदर होते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ सबमर्ज्ड, अंडर वाटर. दीज टू हैव सेम मीनिंग. सो दीज आर योर कीवर्ड्स एंड यू हैव टू राइट दीज कीवर्ड्स इन योर नोटबुक. Here is your homework. You have to do question number 7. How many type of water plants are there? What are their features? Give examples of each. So we have learned the types of water plants. First one is floating, fixed and underwater. So you have to write their features and give some examples. Next one is question number 8. Can a mango tree grow on high mountains? Why or why not? तो हाई माउंटेन्स पे कैसे ट्रीज ग्रो होते हैं जिनकी लीव्स नीडल जैसी होती हैं, है ना. सो यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर्स ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.